Hi, welcome to Woodridge, modern living at its best. Come on in. I'm Janelle Pantrico, the creative director at Spaces, and I welcome you to Design Week 2021. We're going to be showcasing this 3-bedroom townhouse located in Kingston 6 and showing you how staging makes an open concept work. Let's take a tour. Townhouse. It's designed for modern families. With our relaxed, casual lifestyle, the open concept is perfect for today's families. The family room or great room, as in the open concept, has the living area, the dining area, and the kitchen space all in one. The kitchen now acts as a hub for the entire living space. In the open concept layout, no longer is the kitchen hidden away. The kitchen has now become an anchor for the entire ground floor living area space. It is the heart of the home. It is where we not only cook, but it's an area where the family gathers together. We have breakfast. It's an area now where you can dine and entertain as well. In addition to having a great open concept, this 3-bedroom house has this bonus room. We actually turned this into a quite cozy little sitting area, perfect after a long day at work. So while we love the open concept living design, sometimes you need a little space that's all for your own. So we decided to convert this bonus room here into a little sitting room / study. The great thing about decorating with black and white is that it never goes out of style, and 2, it pairs perfectly with any accent color. In this space, we chose an emerald green color to give a pop that's needed in here. This emerald blue just ups the ante and gives the room a very luxurious feel, don't you think? A great tip when you're decorating your open concept living space is to use the same color scheme throughout. It creates a more cohesive look throughout your home. So for this space, our grays are accentuated with mustard and burnt orange to add a pop of color. It's also, we use a lot of texture in terms of that's on the pillows and the throw and the jute poofs to give it a more global bohemian feel. Spaces is so happy to be a part of the Jamaica Observer Design Week 2021. It's a great way for designers and decorators to showcase the work that we're doing. Design incorporates so many facets, from decorating to styling to staging, as what we have shown you today. For more information on how to find us, check us out on our Instagram at Spaces Jamaica or visit our website at spacesjamaica.com. And you can stop by our showroom located at 79 Arden Road. We hope to see you soon. Be sure to check out the Jamaica Observer for all the events for Design Week 2021, running from October 20 to the 27th.